In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert code in Confluence, making your documentation clear and effective. Let's dive into each step to ensure you're comfortable using this useful feature. To start, you'll be on your Confluence homepage. From here, you'll want to choose the workspace where you're planning to add or edit content. Think of your workspace as the central repository where related projects and documentation live. It's important to select the correct workspace to ensure the flow of information is maintained and organized effectively. Now that you've selected your workspace, the next step is to click on the page where you want to insert code. You can do this by navigating through your workspace pages and finding the one you need. This step is essential, as it ensures you're adding information in the right context within your existing documentation. Once you're on the desired page, go ahead and click on the Edit button. This action allows you to modify the contents of the page and add new elements like text, images, or in this case, code. Make sure you're in the editing mode before proceeding to the next step. While you're in editing mode on your page, you'll need to type code right into the text area. This is a shortcut that brings up the code snippet feature. Using shortcuts like this not only saves time, but also makes the process more straightforward. Upon entering code, you'll be presented with the option to add a code snippet. Here, you need to click on Code Snippet, enabling you to start adding syntax-highlighted code to your documentation. Utilizing this feature is a great way to make your code more readable and accessible to anyone viewing your documentation. After selecting Code Snippet, the next step is to choose your scripting language from the drop-down menu. This is crucial because selecting the correct language will ensure that the code is formatted properly, contributing to both readability and precision. Whether it's Python, JavaScript, or any other language, selecting the correct one is key. Once you've chosen the scripting language, it's time to paste your code right where the editor prompts you to. This is the final crucial part of the process where you bring your documentation to life. Ensure that your code is accurately pasted without any errant spaces or characters that could affect execution. Following these steps will help you effectively incorporate code into your Confluence pages, making your documents clearer and your collaborative efforts more efficient. By ensuring proper formatting and syntax highlighting, your team can better understand the code context, easing troubleshooting and modifications in the future. Thank you for joining in today's video. Be sure to apply these steps in your Confluence pages and notice the difference it makes in your workflow.